All right, we want to begin with the hot chocolate bombs we've been talking about. Shannon Smith joining us with a tasty treat you can try at home.
All right, hello friends. Today we are making the ever popular hot chocolate bomb. These were super trendy last Christmas, like 2020. And to be honest, I've never made them before, but we're gonna try them today because it's a great Valentine's Day treat. You've gotta get some kind of mold, the melting chocolate, important. The hot cocoa mix, also important. We're gonna wanna cram this full of marshmallows. We've got some sprinkles for decoration, a couple tools here. The first thing we want to do here is melt the chocolate. Great news, I did not burn the chocolate. You're gonna take your spatula and you're gonna put a little bit in each of your round silicone molds and kind of use the spatula or use the paintbrush we brought to kind of put it up the edges. You don't want to go too heavy on the chocolate because you don't want it so thick that it's not gonna break, but you also don't want it so thin that it's gonna break as soon as you try to handle it. And if you make a little bit of a mess, that's just part of it. We're gonna pop all of this in the fridge for a little bit just so it can harden. We're gonna take some of this leftover chocolate and put it in our piping bag, or if you have a Ziploc, do that, just so we can put a little decor on top and have a good place for our sprinkles to go. I'm making a mess, I'm so sorry. Okay, I think it's time. Just gonna kind of, you know, peel them out of the mold. Oh my, look at it. It looks great. Oh, I'm so happy. All right, so we're gonna keep popping. Wow, wow. Oh, that one's a little cracked, but it's okay, I still love it. They're all perfect. We're gonna wanna fill it with the hot chocolate first. So we're gonna take about 2 spoonfuls maybe. And of course, we wanna take our marshmallows and put plenty of those inside. We're gonna take this with our kind of warm pan and see how it's warmed it just a little bit so that we can seal it. We got hot chocolate bombs, y'all. That was only slightly the most stressful thing I've ever done, but look how cool they look. All right, let's get them ready to get decorated. All right, here we go. We're gonna put our sprinkles. I love it. Here's some hearts. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. So the next step that you're gonna do is put this in a mug, get some hot milk, pour it over, and watch as the marshmallows and the cocoa mix burst from the outside as it melts. I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually gonna let you do that, Beth. So take it away, let me know how it works.
Twist my arm, Shannon. We are thrilled to sample these hot chocolate bombs. I almost said photo bomb, right? Todd's gonna photo bomb, but you've got your own hot chocolate bomb. These are beautiful. They even have red chocolate hearts on them, so perfect for Valentine's Day. Okay, so we are waiting. Kevin and our floor crew here, he is getting the milk heated up. Be very careful when you heat it. You can heat it in the microwave, but they say to do it in like 15-second increments. Todd, I don't know if your milk is gonna be hot enough. It says your milk should be steaming a little.
Okay.
Ours may not be hot enough, but okay, are you ready? Kevin is bringing you.
Now, when you say bomb,
it will explode
like
in your cup,
vertical,
apparently.
how high is this thing? Oh, hey, Kevin, come on. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay, lift your, so let me show you.
All right,
okay,
here we
so
go.
this is the hot chocolate bomb, right?
Yes.
Chocolate coating. You set it inside your cup, right? And then you're
Nice
gonna
camera
ever
work here.
so carefully pour the milk on top of the chocolate bomb. And again, it should be steaming. It may not be hot enough, but let's see.
Okay.
It should explode. It's melting a little bit.
When you say
Oh,
explode.
it opened up. I see marshmallows.
Ah. Mm-hmm. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, look at that. Marshmallows and all kinds of goody treats. Some hot chocolate mix in there as well.
Hey.
How did yours work?
It did good. I had a little bit of an isolated flash flood before it exploded. I mean, I was, thank you, Eric. We were about 3/4 full, and it exploded.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks great.
So these are delicious. Again, you just want to make sure your milk is steaming hot in order to fully explode the hot chocolate bomb. But it looks tasty.
Okay, there you
All
go.
right, Todd,
All
can
right,
you see
there
it?
go.
I don't know if you can see
So
mine.
make sure everybody can see that.
All right, and this will definitely come in handy as our temperatures dip back down, Todd, and
That's
winter
good.
weather moves back in, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It's live at 5 at 4. Just wanted to get up close and personal. Notice I did move the keyboards and everything away, so weather team, we're all good. When Beth said explosion, I was like, okay, what are we talking about here?